It's great you've scaled to 200 outbound calls a day with voice AI. Or maybe your inbound line's always ringing and your agents are handling it 24/7. But here's the real question. Are they actually doing what you need them to do? Are they booking appointments, following compliance scripts, or creating great user experiences? Because raw call volume doesn't prove ROI. Outcomes do. That's where custom evaluations come in. With Synthflow, you get to define what a successful call looks like, and we track it automatically. Hey, I'm Caleb from Synthflow, and in this video, I want to show you one of my favorite power tools in the platform, custom evaluations. So if you've ever wondered, how do I know if my AI agents are actually working the way we want? Well, this is how. Let me walk you through it. So let's say you're running hundreds of automated calls a day. They're getting answered. Great. But what you really care about is, did the agent actually do the thing? Did it schedule the appointment? Did it say the right legal phrase? Did the customer leave happy? Custom evaluations let you track that, not based on generic call metrics, but based on your own criteria. And you're in control of how it's scored. You can set it up to look for a simple yes or no, or to give you a satisfaction score, or even a descriptive answer like excellent or needs improvement. Basically, whatever success means in your workflow, this lets you define it and measure it. Let's walk through it. Start in the platform, head to the Actions tab, and find Custom Evaluations. From there, hit New Evaluation. You'll give it a name, something straightforward like appointment booked or privacy script confirmed. Then you write the prompt. This is where you describe what you're evaluating. So maybe it's, did the agent successfully schedule the appointment during this call? Or did the agent inform the caller about data privacy at the start of the call? Now here's where it gets interesting. How do you want to score that? If it's a black and white question, did it happen or not, just use the pass or fail option. If you want to rate something on a 1 to 10 scale, maybe caller satisfaction or confidence, go with numeric. You can also choose a Likert scale. That's where it's like strongly agree to strongly disagree. And if your use case is more open-ended, like giving qualitative feedback, go with descriptive. Then set what you want the right answer to be. Maybe it's true or 8 out of 10 or strongly agree. That tells the system how to grade the call. Once that's filled in, hit save. Now let's make sure it actually gets used on your calls. Head over to your Agents tab and pick the one you want this evaluation attached to. From there, you need to go into Actions, flip to the After the Call tab, and hit Add Action. You'll select Custom Evaluation, check the one you just made, and boom, it's now active. Every call from that agent will now get scored automatically based on what you set. Let me give you a couple of examples so you can picture it. Say you're in healthcare and you want to track whether the agent booked the appointment. Simply use a pass or fail category, and the prompt could be something like, did the appointment get scheduled? Or maybe you're in customer support and you care about how happy the customer sounded at the end. You might use a numeric or Likert scale score. The prompt would be, rate how satisfied the caller seemed by the end of the call. And if compliance is important, like reading required disclosures, you can ask, did the agent inform the caller about recording and privacy policies? Use a descriptive score like excellent, vague, or missing. The point is, this tool flexes to whatever outcome you care about. Here are a couple quick tips. If you're not seeing the evaluation show up, make sure it actually has been attached to an agent and then you hit save. Also, double check that your expected result matches the scoring category. So for example, don't use strongly agree in a pass-fail evaluation. And if you're working with the API, make sure your payload matches the schema. We've got examples in the documentations if you ever need help. So you're no longer just making calls with AI, you're tracking whether those calls are actually doing what they're supposed to do, with data that actually matters. Custom evaluations give you the visibility to prove ROI, tighten up workflows, and continuously improve your agents and customer experience. If you want to go even deeper, check out our next video right here. And hey, if this was helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you there.